Welcome back, guys, CryptoFi channel. Today we'd like to show you how we can work with the Bubblemaps platform and investigate the tokens on TRON chain. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you go to playlists on this channel, Bubblemaps on chain analysis, and watch tutorials. I recommend you create accounts. On the main page, we can double check tokens in all chains and find the trending tokens or future tokens, or choose some specific chain. Today, we'll double check the TRON. When you choose the chain, you will see the trending tokens on this chain and the future tokens. I want to double check the BDT. So basically, it's one of the most popular token on TRON chain. Of course, I want to double check the SunDog and Sun token. Type here some ticker, right? And you can find on the TRON. On the first page, what this bubble means. One bubble, it's a single wallet. One single wallet. The connections between the wallets, it's on-chain transfers. And I already explained it to you guys. So when we see some token with huge, giant bubbles, it's kind of red flag, because like you can see when we press on one single wallet, only this wallet, this one, hold over than 7% of total emission, total supply. And the problem is, guys, when we click on some of these wallets, we can see this is by colors. It's connected. This cluster hold over than 69% of total supply. Guys, so it can't be the fair launch. It can't be the decentralized token. It's definitely the red flag, because imagine if these guys one day will dump the price because they can sell immediately. They hold over than 3 billion tokens. Now the value is 54 million USD. You can use the magic notes. It's a brand new feature, and track the untracked wallets, because some of that wallets can be already empty, but we can track the relationship, the behaviors, and investigate the cluster. Also, I highly recommend you guys track the launch date of each token. You need to use, once again, the time travel option. We choose the date and go to launch date. It's the first date when this token launch, and double check how on the first day, the emission being distributed. And of course, if you find some token just at the first day distributed and some wallet hold over than 10% of total supply, it's can be red flag. Definitely, guys. If we will see some dozens or hundreds, just tiny small wallets which not connected, it can be the fair launch. It's organic, normal accumulation of the token. And so we track the launch date. So the May 2021. What could go wrong? So we can't say this is some fair launch, right? All right, let's double check the other token. I want to double check the SunDog. So this is one of most popular token memes in meme sector. On TRON, we can hide the BitHump deposit address, and once again we can see here's a cluster. It's sent to the Gate.io deposit wallet. One wallet send a lot of transaction to the Gate.io wallet and hold 16%. It's kind of bad. This cluster hold 11%, also the red flag. So yes, by themselves, so this wallet hold only less than 3%. Looks okay. So when we check just in a basic explorer and we check the list of holders, yes, not a big deal. Just some holders with 2.2%, 3% of total emission, it's not a big deal. But the problem is with the Bubblemaps, we can track all of these wallets is connected. So it can be the group of people, it can be insiders, it can be the team or devs, Also double check the launch date of SunDog. Highly recommend you guys use the Bubblemaps before you want to buy any meme coin, and take a look at this cluster. How it even possible? So at the launch date, this token in 27 addresses, 75% of total supply control it. It's kind of weird. Let's double check. I want to see the BDT. Wow. BDT is here, 42% in in one hand. Not in one hand, no, 42% in one cluster. And of course, if you not see some token which you want to investigate on TRON chain in this list, what you can do, I highly recommend you use the CoinGecko, for example, or Gecko Terminal if you want to analyze some fresh new meme coin, right? You go to CoinGecko, go into cryptocurrencies, choose the chains, scroll it down, find the TRON chain, and so you can open any token, copy the contract and paste in the Bubblemaps here, or you can go to categories, for example, scroll it down to, let's say, the meme sector, memes, go into filter, this one, and choose the TRON chain, TRON. Apply filter, and we will see the list of TRON coins, meme sector. We can choose any one, Sunpepper, this one, copy the contract, go into the Bubblemaps, launch app, paste the contract, double check the distribution at this current date, and double check the distribution at the launch day. So now, like you can see here, looks like organic move, right? So dozens just not connected wallets, but I highly recommend you use the magic node. So you turn on and see the magic. Anyway, not a big deal, like most supply now on Uniswap. Next one is the Max Hot Wallet, but I guess the Max already delisted this token. Here's the 3% supply, just 2K value. We can see even at the launch date, basically the 35% of total emission, one cluster hold, 9% of total emission, one cluster hold, and 10%. So basically we got like 3 or 4 big clusters, and mostly it's just insiders. Definitely. That's why now we can see totally different picture if we compare the launch date and the current one. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Highly recommend you go and check the playlist about Bubblemaps. I highly recommend you create a account on the Bubblemaps. Subscribe channel, and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.